it is already high because we your salaries, we top papers and those stuff. And now electricity bill increase about 14.something%, which is like yeah.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Printing Press Owners Association, Iowa, Accra, Newtown. They have been talking and talking there. Now, mbeka Miami ya video kase 4 years abaya kwato ababonyama NDC for ni is excellent John Dramani Mahama there. Obianye din na mama bia ankasa. Nukredie, but sometimes so there when it is too much, you have to talk about it. Bible cry catch Jacob Nini brother. I say Esau Debbie Esau and Jacob brother. The brother na Jacob ko we are Esau blessings no. And then I coupon catch and I say ni papa catch Jacob catch and say I mean is it Isaac catch and say in Shirani me shira Jacob we. Now so when you get fed up with it, when you are tired, that is when you also break out. And basically, no, you are talking about Bonnie. And it's for Maria, Abano, Aomoji, but that does not mean say we will just sit down and raise our hands in despair. And when it is too much, we'll talk about it. So, Omasemni say, electricity tariffs no ni dumsono, sell mujuma. Sell mujuma enya easy. Na AyEka say when Akufo-Addo MPP was in power, we all saw how electricity tariffs akosra sometimes 6%, 8%, 5%, 4%, sometimes quite mutimi reduce. Just to create that environment conducive say businesses better driving, for businesses to work, for people to also work and get the profit from their work. Now, when you hear some of these business women, businessmen, in some mukikano, very sad. Some of them said they even have 4 machines, 5 machines. They have to off 3 of them and only be using 2. Even with the 2 they are using, they are consuming more. So they are paying more for electricity already under NDC government way. Some of them also saying, "Doom Sunday, I best say some more machines." Because only a bright time I bedroom light, no. You have time table be and back. I say, "Oh, time when you see your bedroom light." Now we are humana customer also or train. How na edge light no. Edge light no so to me have you found. By the time I work also generator and do all those things, you waste precious time. You spend extra time buying fuel to fuel the generator. You have to service the generator. And to all these things, it is leading to a lot of situations where people are being laid off. Some of the workers at the various printing press and printing centers all over the nation, where they are Newtown, just a reportage away from Newtown to make a Newtown crossing. All over the nation, more printing press in because there is no light, and light has become very expensive, and customers also because they are beginning to pass the cost. Now, businessmen, say when the prices are going up, they will shift it to the customers. And the customers too, government is not increasing the salary. The daily minimum wage is not being increased here. So all of these things compiled together, the customers would desist from going to print, going to put in orders and all those things. So businesses are collapsing. Now, I am not surprised because this has been how the first coming of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has been. This is how his first coming was.
Cost of production, I mean, cost how in care what they produce another better printing, a very easy because already prices are high. Now, saying about increase electricity bill there, I don't think that will help. It will not help at all.
Lighting on some the anchor. And yet, a be uncoming minimum say. hardwin any concern can high but the eddy or how ebony say light off on some in the high be a walk or judgment be not say who pentama yajumana money panua na yadum kania it be a bit late in the night and also be also wada ma off madia and it ye be fan sa e say we are so to say the tie no ekonanim increment in there ye be yentimi nkasa be say light need to me gina so ma yende a increment no ye be fan sa.
This is not the first time yeah hu bi sa and we adjust to it each and every time and you know definitely we be adjusted to it because and electricity there are other factors that affect business the same way we adjust to it in the same way electricity tariff so we adjust to it. No, so a human but is first. It's more increasing now. Then we have to put it on the customers or the clients, and they will also not be willing to because a bit more we increase tariff when price the pay. One more could be before we also be also increasing because when you say human and share the ambassador, what I say, it's a bit affect your business no big time. Okay, Newtown had the AyEka. Newtown compared to formerly, first neck off Pambas here, I think is stable. Just we pay more. When I see almost an increase into a better business, seriously.
Pay more,
because formerly we used 3 machines to 4 machines, but it's you're decreasing it to 2 machines. But I don't know, a week we buy 600 cedis for just 2 machines. What I say? So it's really affecting the business. Tamas is here and high very slow, very slow. Then we die finish. Then we will just transfer it to the clients.
These are the same things we suffered, which we told Ghanaians about, which we warned Ghanaians of. We told them, say, John Mahama has been president before, from 2012, July, to 7th January 2017. Now, wherever John Mahama goes, there goes light out. We told Ghanaians. Now, Akufo-Addo was able to keep light for you 8 years, MPP government, 8 years, non-stop. We business. I've been to Newtown several times from 2017 out to 2024. I feel women are man call Newtown here. Because I deal a lot with those printing and stuff. You are always assured. Say, oh, call you man, light there or how you the whole day. And it's not the same. Also, so called Juma is a matter of chance. They say, cry a bonfire, call a coat of Juma, a bonfire. We are saying, I hope me call Juma and my light and walk on a meeting me Juma. Ideally, we anka away any prayer topic. Anka we and what say go for bonfire found say me call Juma and my light and one on meeting me Juma. Minya light and minya Juma. Debbie. In a country that is over 66 years old, we are still praying to God over light. All because you are too ababoni. You have voted for a government that does not have the technical know-how and does not know how to manage anything. They are just leaving everything on autopilot mode. But this is the choice we made. This is what we are going to live with for the next 4 years. And we just pray that we will not be punished beyond what we can take as citizens. This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Tv JDM. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.